Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Shazam App Keeps Stopping error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are trying to use your Shazam or open your Shazam app, but each and every time you just tap on it, it closes automatically, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Most probably you are experiencing this because Shazam app has experienced a glitch. Now to fix this, there are quite a number of steps you can take. First, we need to access Shazam app info page. To access Shazam app info page, go to settings on your phone, and from settings look for apps. This will list all the apps. If you don't see a list of apps, look for manage apps or all apps option to see all the apps you have on your phone. From here, just search for your app by name, and Shazam is here. Here, now go to force stop app and okay. Then go to clear cache and okay. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Shazam app, everything should be okay. In most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. But in case this didn't solve your problem, then we want to check if there is any update for Shazam app on Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Play Store and then search for my app. So I just search for Shazam and then open it. Here you want to check and see if we have an update, then update your app to the latest version. Even after updating, if the problem still persists, then you'll need to uninstall Shazam app from your smartphone and then install it afresh. The reason why you'll need to do this is because most likely your app had a bug, and for you to fix that, you'll need to uninstall the app totally. Once your app has been installed, now if you open it, you shouldn't encounter any challenge while using it. So that's how you can fix Shazam app keeps stopping error on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.